If you're thinking of starting a small claim to get your money back or taking someone to court for breach of contract, you need to be sure it's going to be worth it. Here are the key things you need to consider before starting a civil court case. You can only win a case if you can prove that the problem is the other person's fault and that they caused it by doing something they shouldn't have or by not doing something they should have. Then you need to prove the amount of money it cost you. You can't just make this up. In England and Wales, the law sets out exactly what you can claim for. If you haven't lost any money and you aren't injured, you're just cross, there's probably no point in taking anyone to court. You need evidence to back up each bit of your case, both that it is their fault and how much money it cost you. That could be things like contracts, text messages, receipts, or a medical report. The court will expect you to have tried to solve the problem without going to court first. So keep a record of all the things you have done to try to solve it. You should also send a letter before action before starting a case. We've another video about that. Be realistic about the risks. They aren't massive in a small claim, but if you don't have a good case, you might end up losing more money. And most people have to pay to start the case, so you'll only get that money back if you win. And even in a small claim, if you lose, you might have to pay some of the other person's costs. On top of that, going to court can be stressful, and preparing a case takes a lot of time. This is just a quick overview. For more help, head to Advice Now for our step-by-step guides on small claims and the civil court.